Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wahoo heart rate monitor. First, make sure your monitor has a fresh battery installed, typically a CR2032 coin cell. Then, position the monitor correctly on your chest, just below your pectoral muscles, or on your forearm, ensuring good skin contact. Finally, download the Wahoo Fitness app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the sensors icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Add New Sensor, and the app will begin searching for nearby devices. Your Wahoo heart rate monitor should appear in the list. Tap on it to initiate the pairing process and confirm when the app asks you to save the sensor. Wahoo heart rate monitors are versatile, supporting both ANT+ and Bluetooth Smart technology. This means you can connect them to a wide range of devices beyond just your phone. For instance, you can pair with your cycling computer, smartwatch, or even compatible gym equipment. Simply navigate to the sensor pairing menu on your desired device and select your Wahoo monitor from the available options. If you encounter connection issues, try a few troubleshooting steps. For chest straps, moisten the electrodes with water or saliva for better conductivity. Also, ensure there are no other strong electronic signals nearby that could cause interference. If problems persist, replace the battery. Wahoo monitors typically use a CR2032 battery, offering up to 12 months of use. Regularly check for firmware updates within the Wahoo Fitness app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.